Hello, boys and girls. My name is Miss Wren. I am the reading specialist at Nixon Elementary School, and I'm here today to show you some lowercase cursive writing letters. We all need to learn cursive writing because it helps improve our reading and our writing. There's a couple things that you need to do this. You need some handwriting paper, a pencil or a pen, and then a hard surface to write on. Okay? I'm going to show you an easy way to write some letters. They involve different kinds of strokes. The first stroke we're going to do is called a short wave stroke. Watch me as I do this for you. You're going to start about midway. You're going to go up and touch the dotted line, down and touch the bottom line. Up and touch the dotted line, down and touch the dotted line. Up and down. Okay. Now you practice with me. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay. Now you try it at home. Remember to start at the bottom and go to the dotted line. Make sure all your strokes are on the bottom and at the dotted line. Okay, great. That looks good. All right, now to remember, we're ready to write a letter just from this stroke right here. We're going to write the lowercase I. Watch me as I write this. You're going to start about halfway and go up, touch the dotted line. You're doing the same stroke that we've been doing. And now you're just going to put a dot over all those peaks. Okay, now practice with me. Up and down, up and down, up, down, up and down. Okay, and then don't forget to dot your I's. Now you try it at home. Remember, halfway in between, up to the dotted line, down to the bottom line. Up to the dotted line, down to the bottom line. Okay, and don't forget to dot them. Great job. Now I'm going to show you, this is called the short wave stroke. Short wave. Now I'm going to show you a long wave. A long wave stroke. Again, you're going to start about halfway in between. This time, when you get to the dotted line, you're going to go all the way up and touch the top line. Come all the way back down. Do it again. Up and down. Make sure that you're hitting the top and the bottom. And then leave a little tail. All right, you practice with me. Halfway in between, up, touch the top, down, touch the bottom. Up, touch the top, down to the bottom. Okay. Now you practice at home. Remember, halfway in between, keep going all the way to the top line, and then back down to the bottom line. Okay, good job. Now, with this stroke, we're going to make the letter T, the lowercase letter T. So watch me. We're going to go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. And then you're going to come back and you're just going to cross it. And now you made a cursive T. All right, practice with me. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and a little tail, and then you cross it. Okay? Now you try it on your paper at home. Okay? Just that quickly, you're already writing 2 lowercase letters, the I and the T, just from those strokes. Okay? The next stroke I'm going to show you is the small curved stroke. So this is called a small curved wave stroke. Okay? Now let me show you how that goes. You're going to start in between. You're going to go up. You're going to touch the dotted line and curve over. Come back down. Up and over. Back down. Up and over and back down. Up and over and back down. Up and over and back down. And if you draw a line under there, it kind of does look like the tops of the waves as they're coming up on the beach. All right, now you practice with me. We're going to go halfway in between, up, and when we reach that line, we're going to kind of curve it over, come back down, up, follow the same line that you went up, and the same line to come back down. Okay? Okay. Now you try it. All right, great job. Now with this stroke, we can make 2 lowercase letters. And I'm going to show you the first one. The first one is the small letter A. So watch me. We're going to go up, over. Now right here, we're going to come back and touch the top and then come down. Watch again. You're going to go up, make your curve, come back around here, and then loop down. Up, make your curve, back around, loop down. Up, make your curve, back around, loop down. Okay? Now you practice at home with me. Ready? Watch. Up and over, back around. Make sure you close it, because if you don't close it, it'll look like a different letter. Up and down and close it and back around. And then leave a little tail. Now you try on your paper. Good job. That's a great way to write the letter lowercase a. The next letter that we can do using this short wave, the small curved wave, is the letter D. Watch me as I write this. You're going to start in between, go up, curve over. You're going to make the letter A, but this time you're going to go all the way to the top. Come back down and loop around. Up to your little curve, close it like an A, but go all the way to the top, back down. Again, over, up, down, and around. Over, close it all the way to the top, back down and around. All right, your turn. Do it with me. Ready? Start. Up, over, close, all the way to the top and back down. Up, over, close, all the way to the top, back down. Up, over, close, all the way to the top and back down. One more time. Up, over, close, and all the way back down. Now, you practice this at home on your paper. What delightful letter D's you've made on your paper. So now we know how to make the letter I, the letter T, the letter A, and the letter D. I'm going to show you 2 more strokes and 2 more letters, okay? The next one is called a heel stroke. Okay. Now, to make the heel stroke is real simple. We're going to make little heels. So we're going to start in the middle. You're going to go up and over, up and over. You're just making heels. Okay? Now you practice with me. We're going to go up and over, up and over, up and over. And keep going. Okay? So that's our heel stroke. Okay? Now you practice on your paper. What marvelous mountain hills you've made, guys. You're doing a great job. Now with this heel stroke, we can use to make the letter M. Okay, watch me make the letter M. We're going to go up. This time we're going to make a little mountain and then make 2 big mountains. Now we're going to go up, make a little mountain, and then make 2 big mountains. Again, up, make a little mountain, and then 2 big mountains. One more time. Up, make a little mountain, and then 2 big mountains. And if you look right in between, there are your letter M's. It's kind of hard to see when you're doing them all together. But each one is an M. And they each have the 2 heels with that little bitty heel at the beginning. All right, so let's try another one. You do it with me. Go up, make a little heel, then make 2 big heels. Go up, make a little heel, now make 2 big heels. Go up, make a little heel, now make 2 big heels. One more, up, make a little heel, now make 2 big heels. And you made your letter M. Remember, you can divide it in between if you want to see them. Okay? Now you practice at home on your paper. Remember, you got to make the little small heel first and then 2 bigger heels. A small heel and 2 bigger heels. Great job. I love those M's. Now the last stroke that we're going to learn today is called the long loop stroke. Okay? The long loop stroke is real easy. It's almost like the long wave, but there's a loop in there. So we're going to start halfway in between. We're going to go up like we're doing the long wave stroke, and then we're going to go back and make a loop. Up, make a long wave stroke, and then back, make the loop. Up and loop, up and loop, up and loop, up and loop, and then leave a little tail. Most of your cursive is always going to have a tail at the beginning and a tail at the end. The one at the end is going to be used later on when you connect the letters together to make the words. All right, practice with me. Up, make your loop, 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 and up, make your loop. Okay? Now you practice that at home on your paper. Great job. Now we're going to use this long loop stroke to make a letter H. So watch me. You're going to start here. You're going to go up, make your loop. Now come back down straight and then make one of your heels. And there's your letter H. Up, down, and over. Up, down, and over. One more. Up, loop back, down, and over with the tail. All right, now you practice with me. Up, down, and heel. Up, down, and a heel. Up, down, and a heel. Up, down, and a heel. Good job. Now you practice the letter H on your paper at home. Great job. If you don't have any paper at home, there are a couple of ways that you can practice without it. The first one is that you can make a sensory bag. That bag has conditioner in it with some food coloring. And another way is that you can use shaving cream, because the shaving cream you can put your finger in there and see the different strokes. Okay? All right. I hope that you'll practice daily on your cursive writing to make the transition to school much easier. And then once you get these basic strokes down, you can move into the other letters. And then you can move into the words.